Calvary Cemetery. They don't use it anymore though. When I was younger, they used to bury people there, but they stopped using it. This is where I was raised. Here, I grew up going up these stairs. At one time, these stairs seemed so big, but now they're so small. It's just raining. They pulled off the line. My mom right here. Always miserable. This is the room I grew up in. Yeah, this is where I grew up. Did a little bit of restoration though, so it's more comfortable. Bob's Burger.
We used to work together. It was the first thing you would buy after you stole all that money.
No, I love me a cat baby. That's my Rodney. Hey, Mickey, I don't know what you're up to, but count me out. Easy, Mickey, calm down. Let me out of here. Women and children should be released. You're not a woman. I took softest. You're not getting away with the money. You have to accept that. Just don't take Rodney. You gotta stop thinking about Rodney, alright? You robbed this bank. So you need to decide how this ends. Not how Rodney would do it, it's how Mickey would do it. Do the Mickey plan.
eat more, I'm gonna deal with something.
What would I say? I drink another cup of soup. Why? One more the family then. Yeah. I know my cousin took another cup. I tell that plan now, teacher from the top. And one more.
Say hello.
What's that?
Titanic, come to the restaurant.
I'm not telling you. What did I say? Stand up.
Say hi, Pat. Say hi.
No. I read in the fully. I like talk. I'm going to take my nice guy. Take the word. I'm already being the what you job? And yeah, come out. I need to cut them big. I said, see if she can get a man and married. Show the boy them and married them. What she said? She's a present. You're the one. I say you want my son. What you come out? What you? I'm seeing a
Video. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah. Dog live.
No, sir. Your phone not easy, see that? Dangerous phone. And the big piece of something in front.
Right now we're downtown Kingston, Orange Street. From my YouTubers, see it right there. Just waiting. This man said 300 and he'll clean up my car. 300. Yeah, you see it. Orange Street, Kingston, Jamaica. That girl just fanned me off. So he's doing the work right now. You see that? They know the hustle in Jamaica, man. I love that, yo. They know the hustle. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, downtown Kingston right now. See all the vendors. I'm just waiting. Alright. Traffic is barely moving. It's not even moving, you know. lot of traffic, a lot of people, a lot of vendors. Downtown Kingston.